What's up guys, it's Pat's voiceover with his real voice coming soon. He likes to show you that even the voice comes from one of the many tools he uses to make these videos. Okay now, listen, we all want to make more money, right? And what's better than a side hustle that can bring in some serious cash? I'm talking about affiliate marketing, and no, you don't need a website, thousands of followers, or even any experience to get started. Last month I made over $3,000 in affiliate commissions just by sharing links to products I love. That's an extra $100 a day, guys. And the best part? Anyone can do this. In this video, I'm breaking down my exact 7-step strategy for making $100 per day with affiliate marketing. We're talking about finding profitable niches, the best affiliate programs to join, and free traffic strategies that actually work in 2025. So, if you're ready to start earning passive income, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started. Okay, so let's break down exactly what affiliate marketing is. You might have heard the term thrown around a lot, especially if you're into online business or digital marketing, but what does it really mean? In the simplest terms, it's like recommending a restaurant to a friend, but instead of just getting a thank you, you actually get paid for it. Imagine you had an amazing meal at this new spot, and you tell your friend all about it. You rave about the food, the ambiance, and the service. Your friend decides to check it out based on your glowing recommendation. They go, they love it, and you get a little thank you from the restaurant for recommending them. Now, in the world of affiliate marketing, that thank you comes in the form of a commission. That's affiliate marketing. You're basically the connector between a company and a customer. You help businesses reach new customers, and in return, you get a piece of the pie. You recommend products or services you love, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. The company gets a new customer, the customer gets a product they need, and you get paid for facilitating that connection. The beauty of this is that you don't have to create your own products, deal with customer service, or handle any of the logistics. All you need to do is share your honest opinion about products you already use and love. You're simply recommending something you already love and getting paid for it. It's like being a brand ambassador, but without the hassle of contracts or obligations. Think about all the things you recommend on a daily basis: books, movies, clothes, gadgets. Now imagine if you could monetize those recommendations. Every time someone buys something based on your suggestion, you earn a commission. Now imagine getting a cut every time someone bought something based on your recommendation. It's like turning your everyday conversations into a source of income. That's the power of affiliate marketing, and it's only getting bigger in 2025. With more people shopping online and relying on recommendations, there's never been a better time to get started. So why not turn your passion into profit and join the affiliate marketing revolution today? Now the first step to crushing it with affiliate marketing is choosing the right niche. This is the foundation of your entire strategy, and getting it right can make all the difference between success and failure. This is crucial because you want to promote products that people are actually interested in buying. Think about it. If no one is interested in the products you're promoting, then no one will buy them, and you won't make any money. My advice? Stick to what you know and love. When you choose a niche that you're passionate about, it won't feel like work. You'll enjoy creating content, engaging with your audience, and promoting products. What are you passionate about? What do you spend hours researching or talking about? These are the topics that you can talk about effortlessly and with genuine enthusiasm. That's a good indication of a potential niche. But remember, just because you're passionate about something doesn't mean it's a profitable niche. But passion alone isn't enough. We want to make sure people are spending money in your niche. This is where research comes in. Luckily, there are tons of free tools to help you out. These tools can provide valuable insights into market demand, competition, and potential profitability. Amazon Best Sellers is a goldmine. Just type in a broad category and see what's flying off the virtual shelves. This can give you a good idea of what products are currently popular and in high demand. Look for products with high demand, good reviews, and a decent price point. These are indicators that people are not only interested in these products but are also willing to spend money on them. You can also use Google Trends to see if a niche is growing in popularity or fading out. This tool allows you to track the interest in specific topics over time, helping you identify trends and make informed decisions. Remember, we want long-term success here. By choosing a niche that you're passionate about, and that has proven profitability, you'll be setting yourself up for sustainable success in the world of affiliate marketing. Once you've got your niche locked in, it's time to find the right affiliate programs to partner with. This is a crucial step because the right partnerships can significantly boost your earnings and credibility. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. There are literally thousands out there, but don't worry, I'm going to make this super simple for you. I've narrowed it down to the top 3 affiliate programs that are perfect for beginners. These programs are not only easy to sign up for, but also offer a wide range of products and services that you can promote. For beginners, I recommend starting with these three giants: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Each of these platforms has its own unique advantages, making them ideal for different types of niches and audiences. Amazon Associates is a no-brainer. It's one of the most popular affiliate programs in the world, and for good reason. Amazon's brand is trusted globally, and they offer millions of products across various categories. They have millions of products, a trusted brand, and it's incredibly easy to sign up. Plus, the commission structure is straightforward, and you can earn commissions on any product your audience buys within 24 hours of clicking your affiliate link. ClickBank is another great option, especially for digital products like online courses and ebooks. If your niche is more focused on digital content, ClickBank offers a plethora of high-quality products that you can promote. They often have higher commission rates, which means more money in your pocket. The platform is user-friendly, and they provide a lot of resources to help you succeed as an affiliate marketer. And finally, we have ShareASale. This platform is incredibly versatile, offering a massive selection of both physical and digital products. Whether you're into fashion, tech, or home goods, you'll find something that fits your niche. They have a massive selection of both physical and digital products, so you're sure to find something relevant to your niche. ShareASale also offers detailed performance reports, helping you track your success and optimize your strategies. The key here is to diversify. By promoting products from different affiliate programs, you can maximize your earning potential and reduce the risk of relying on a single source of income. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is crucial in affiliate marketing, just as it is in investing. It allows you to test different products and see what resonates best with your audience. Sign up for all three, explore their offerings, and see which ones resonate best with you and your audience. Take the time to understand the strengths and weaknesses of each program, and tailor your marketing strategies accordingly. This way, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. Chapter 4. Step 3. Free traffic methods that actually work, no website needed. Now here's where most people get tripped up: driving traffic to your affiliate links. But don't worry, you don't need a fancy website or thousands of followers to make this work. In fact, some of the best traffic sources are completely free. Pinterest is a goldmine for affiliate marketing. Create eye-catching pins with strong calls to action and watch the clicks roll in. TikTok is another powerhouse. Short, engaging videos showcasing products in action can go viral and send tons of traffic your way. And don't underestimate the power of YouTube Shorts. The key is to be consistent, provide value, and make it easy for people to click your links. Remember, the more traffic you drive, the more potential commissions you can earn. Alright, let's talk strategy. How do we actually make $100 per day with affiliate marketing? It all comes down to consistency and a proven routine. Here's what I recommend. Aim to create and share at least 5 pieces of content per day, Monday to Friday. This could be Pinterest pins, TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, or even engaging posts in relevant Facebook groups. Focus on providing value, showcasing the benefits of the products you're promoting, and making it irresistible for people to click your links. In addition to your daily content, try to publish one in-depth product review per week. This could be a blog post, a longer YouTube video, or even a series of Instagram stories. One of the most important aspects of successful affiliate marketing is tracking your progress. You need to know what's working, what's not, and where you can improve. Luckily, most affiliate programs provide detailed dashboards where you can monitor your clicks, conversions, and earnings. I personally use a combination of Google Analytics and the individual affiliate program dashboards to keep everything organized. And speaking of earnings, let me show you some real proof that this stuff works. As you can see, consistency is key. The more you put yourself out there, the more you learn, and the more you refine your strategy, the closer you'll get to that $100 per day goal and beyond. Now, before you dive headfirst into the world of affiliate marketing, there are a few common mistakes you need to avoid. First and foremost, don't be spammy. Nobody likes being bombarded with salesy messages or irrelevant product recommendations. Focus on building genuine connections, providing value, and only promoting products you truly believe in. Secondly, don't spread yourself too thin. It's tempting to jump into a million niches at once, but it's better to focus on one or two and become an authority in those areas. And finally, don't give up too soon. Affiliate marketing takes time and effort. You won't get rich overnight, but with persistence, dedication, and the right strategies, you can achieve incredible results. There you have it, guys. My complete beginner's guide to making $100 per day with affiliate marketing in 2025. Remember, This is a real business model with unlimited earning potential. The best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is right now. So what are you waiting for? Choose your niche, sign up for those affiliate programs, and start creating amazing content. I truly believe that anyone can achieve financial freedom with affiliate marketing, and I can't wait to see you succeed. Now let me know in the comments what niche you're most excited to get started with. Start today, comment your niche below.